Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Today, we got a few things to go over. I got shop cards that came in the mail. I got challenged by BG to build something out of my wheelhouse. And I got a dreaded subject we all run into, the unfinished build. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, first, let's get to the shop cards. We got one here from Captain Nemo. That was pretty cool. He sent us that. It doesn't have his channel name on it. I'm not sure. He's got some nice builds on there. It's like an Impala, a Monte Carlo, and a Camaro. So go ahead and look him up. Pretty neat stuff there. He sent me that. And then we got Tortuga Customs. That's pretty cool. He was nice enough to send me that. It's got a cool Corvette on the back. Very nice. Thank you for sending that, Marcos. Thank you for sending me that. And also Red Barn Model Works. That's pretty cool. You had a nice message on the back. Thank you, Don, for sending me that. That's pretty cool. Look him up there on for his channel. They're on the Facebook groups and YouTube. Thank you for sending me that out. That's pretty cool. Thank you. And then we got something from BG. That's right, BG. He challenged me to a build-off. Something out of my wheelhouse. I see what happened. I was going to give him a Salvino Jr NASCAR. Just give it to him, you know, for friends. He never built one. I thought it was a pretty cool kit. And he goes, how about we do a little challenge? So I was like, okay. He never really builds NASCARs. And what he gave me, I don't normally build either. I wouldn't have ever thought about buying it. But he gave me this. I thought was pretty neat. It's a Jaguar. And it looks black, but it's actually molded in green. It's a pretty neat kit. So I'm going to do that on a build-off with him, because it's something I normally wouldn't build, and it looks pretty cool. So and he's going to build that Salvino Jr NASCAR. So that's something he normally don't build. So it's kind of a little friendly competition, and that'd be pretty neat to do. And that's kind of what I got going on. All right, let's get to the dreaded subject, the unfinished builds. All right, let's go back. Okay, the first one I got here is a Salvino Jr Charger, which I have no idea why I stopped building this. The paint looked really well. Decals turned out good, clear and everything. I had no problems with the kit. I don't know, it stalled. You know how it goes. They stall out. But so I might get to that one. That turned out pretty well. Even the chassis put together and painted. Not sure what happened. You know. All right, that's one of them. You know, we all have several. So there's one. And then this one here is another Salvino's. And it was a Gatorade car. And I painted, decaled, cleared that. Turned out really well. And again, not sure what happened. Stalled out. Bought something else, something, you know, caught my eye. You know, as labor, I said, squirrel. You know, so, you know how it happens. But, I got a couple of these in my stash. Not as many as some folks. Some have like a lot. But I do have, there's a little Falcon, or it's just a Ranchero, that I started on. This is a really old one. I started this, I was weathering it. And it was turning out pretty neat. Look at Texaco on the side and stuff, you know. But there again, I'm not exactly sure why I stopped. And I put it away. It's a pretty neat kit. I don't know. And we got this one here. There's Chevelle. This is pretty cool. Let's look inside here. Oh, all right. Here we go. I painted and decaled this. And, you know, there's the hood. It's all painted just like the box. You know, it's pretty neat. But then, you know, stalled out. So, not sure what happened there. Oh, the paint got messed up. And, oh well. Well, you know, it happens. So, I don't know what happened to that. But, I'm going to try to get to some of these. I don't think I'm going to do them on channel. I'm just going to finish them just so they're finished. But, you know, we all have them. It's pretty crazy. And then, let me show you one more thing I just finished. I didn't do a video of it because the last few weeks been kind of rough for us in the family here. We just kind of took a break, you know, so that's all. So let me show you what I just finished here. Let me go grab it. Here's what I recently finished up. This is a 79 Nova. This started out as the squad rod. I'll have close-up pictures of it at the end of the video you can check out. But this is what I did with it. Made a CHP car. I don't believe CHP used these. But I know that Los Angeles Sheriff's Department did use the Chevrolet Novas in this era. But I thought it looked pretty neat, better than the squad rod. So that's what I finished recently, and also just finished this, matter of fact, today. It's the 65 Surfing Malibu wagon. I made it into a cab. That's right, Lucas, see, another cab. But yeah, I turned it into a cab. It's a pretty nice kit. Pretty basic, you know, it's got the metal rod through the axle, through the oil pan, but other than that, it's a pretty nice little kit. It's different. You know, not many station wagon kits out there. So, all right. Well, I'm glad for you sticking by and watching this channel update. All right, we're going to get back to it here soon. All right. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.